Hi, my name is Steve Sturm. I've been the director of maintenance since 1992. I wanted to try to teach my grandson and take him in and show him just how simple it can be to save some money.
Hi, my name is Sky Nace. I am 16 years old. I do not know how to take care of a house, so today my grandpa will be showing me.
We disconnect the electricity. Well, somewhere in there is the outside part of your air conditioner, and if it can't breathe, your air conditioner is going to have to work a lot harder. First thing that we're going to do is clear the weeds away and pull all the loose grass so that you can actually see the unit again. We go ahead and take the top off. Usually there's just a few screws on the top. Then we go ahead and you get access to the inside of the air conditioner. The air comes straight up through the fan, so it pulls all the new fresh air through the fins in the bottom. So a lot of times it gets really dirty. You get a water hose, start using water pressure to clean from the inside to the outside. You don't want to put too much pressure on the coils with water pressure because you could bend or damage your equipment. If you want to go a step further, you can go ahead and take all the screws off of the cover on the outside. You can see just how dirty this is. You can wipe a little bit of it off. I would use a brush usually, because if you push too hard on that, the fins are sharp. They could scratch and cut your fingers. So once we get it open, he starts to spray it out from the inside and push the dirt away from the coil. Get as high as you can, get as much dirt off of it as you can. It helps if you have a system. Go up and down or side to side in a rhythmic motion so you don't miss anything.
Why is it important to clean the AC?
You get a lot better efficiency with a clean operational condenser.
How often should it be cleaned?
You should clean it at the beginning of the season and maybe halfway through the season. Sometimes you pick up a lot of dirt depending on where you live. Hey, you did a good job working on the air conditioner today. It's going to run a lot better.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. We've got more things to teach him. And maybe you can watch and learn some stuff. You can learn too.
Please like and subscribe below. Have a nice day.